This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study with severe ADHD. First, establish a dedicated study environment free from distractions. This means turning off notifications and clearing your desk. Break down large assignments into smaller, 15 to 20-minute segments. This approach makes tasks less overwhelming and more approachable. Setting clear, achievable goals for each session also helps maintain focus and motivation. To maximize your learning, actively engage with the material. Try summarizing concepts aloud, drawing diagrams, or teaching the information to an imaginary audience. Implement the Pomodoro Technique, taking a 5-minute break after every 25 minutes of focused work. These short breaks prevent burnout and refresh your mind. Consider using a fidget tool to channel excess energy, and remember to reward yourself for reaching study milestones. Effective organization is crucial for managing severe ADHD while studying. Utilize a planner or digital calendar to track all assignments and deadlines. Prioritize your tasks, focusing on the most urgent or important items first. Preparing all necessary materials the evening before your study session eliminates morning distractions. Regularly reviewing your notes helps solidify information, making recall much easier during exams. Beyond study techniques, prioritizing self-care significantly impacts your ability to focus. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night to optimize cognitive function. A balanced diet and consistent hydration also play a vital role in sustaining energy levels. Regular physical activity can help manage excess energy and improve concentration. Don't hesitate to seek support from tutors, mentors, or an ADHD coach for personalized strategies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.